Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. You know, when I look up at the night sky, I don't just see stars, I see possibilities. Each twinkling point of light could harbor entire worlds, some even more breathtaking than our own. Today we're exploring the 10 most beautiful planets in the Milky Way. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity and splendor of our universe. This is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. Discovered by NASA's Kepler mission, this intriguing exoplanet has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. And for good reason. It's a super-Earth exoplanet, meaning it has a mass larger than Earth's but is still rocky in nature. Larger than our own planet, Kepler 452b is about 60% bigger in diameter, making it a fascinating subject for study, but smaller than a gas giant. This size places it in a unique category, bridging the gap between Earth-sized planets and the much larger gas giants. Now, what makes this planet so captivating is its orbit. Kepler 452b takes about 385 days to complete one orbit around its star, which is remarkably similar to Earth's 365-day year. It circles a sun-like star, just like Earth, providing it with a stable source of energy and warmth. And it lies within the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. That means the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on its surface, a crucial ingredient for life. Can you imagine the possibilities? Oceans, continents, maybe even life itself? The potential for discovering alien life makes Kepler 452b an exciting target for future exploration. Kepler 452b is about 1,400 light-years away from us, a distance that challenges our current space travel capabilities, which in cosmic terms isn't that far. Yet it reminds us of the vastness of our universe and the many mysteries it holds. It makes you wonder, what secrets might this Earth-like world hold? Could it be home to unknown forms of life, or perhaps it harbors clues about the formation and evolution of planets like our own? Our next stop brings us to Gliese 581g, another super-Earth exoplanet that's got scientists buzzing with excitement. Discovered in 2010, this intriguing world has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its potential to harbor life makes it one of the most fascinating exoplanets ever found. This planet orbits the red dwarf star Gliese 581, and it's practically in our cosmic backyard, just 20 light-years away. To put that in perspective, if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take us only 2 decades to reach this distant world. In astronomical terms, that's just a stone's throw away. Gliese 581g is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side always faces the star, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. This unique characteristic creates extreme conditions on both sides of the planet, with one side experiencing constant daylight, and the other shrouded in eternal night. Now, you might think that makes it inhospitable, but hold on. Scientists believe that the planet's atmosphere could help distribute heat around the planet, potentially creating habitable conditions. The region along the terminator, the line between day and night, could have the perfect conditions for life. This twilight zone might offer a stable environment where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Imagine a world with a scorching hot day side, a freezing night side, and a temperate zone right in between. This diverse range of climates could support a variety of life forms, each adapted to their unique environment. It's like something straight out of science fiction, but it could be very real. The discovery of Gliese 581g has opened up new possibilities in our search for extraterrestrial life, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. Get ready to be mesmerized by HD 189733b, a gas giant that's anything but ordinary. This planet is a showstopper with its deep blue color, reminiscent of our own Earth's oceans. But don't be fooled, there's no liquid water here. The stunning blue hue comes from silicate particles scattering light in its atmosphere. Imagine a world where it rains molten glass sideways. HD 189733b is a hot Jupiter, meaning it orbits incredibly close to its star. In fact, it's so close that its atmosphere is constantly being blasted away by stellar winds, creating a comet-like tail. Talk about a dramatic exit. Chapter 4. Kepler 22b, the Water World. Our search for beauty in the cosmos takes us to Kepler 22b, a super-Earth located about 600 light-years away. This distant exoplanet has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the possibilities of worlds beyond our own. This planet is special because it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, making it a prime candidate for a water world. The habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Imagine a planet covered in vast shimmering oceans stretching as far as the eye can see. That's Kepler 22b. These endless bodies of water could harbor unknown marine ecosystems, with creatures and plant life that are completely alien to us. Now, we don't know for sure if there's life on this water world, but the possibility is tantalizing. The presence of water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. And where there's water, there's hope for discovering new forms of life. Kepler 22b is about 2.4 times the size of Earth, earning it the nickname Super Earth. This larger size means it has a stronger gravitational pull, which could affect everything from the atmosphere to the potential for life. If it does have oceans, they could be hundreds of miles deep, teeming with life unlike anything we've ever seen. These deep oceans might host organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, offering clues about the resilience and adaptability of life. Chapter 5. Proxima Centauri b, our nearest neighbor. Let's journey to Proxima Centauri b, a planet that holds a special place in our hearts. Why? Because it orbits the closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri, just a little over 4 light-years away. This makes Proxima b our nearest exoplanet neighbor, and it's a prime target for future exploration. Now, Proxima b is a bit of a mystery. We know it's about the same size as Earth and orbits within its star's habitable zone. But that's about it. Could there be life on this nearby world? The answer is out there waiting to be discovered. Chapter 6, TRAPPIST-1, A World of Possibilities. Get ready to be amazed by the TRAPPIST-1 system, a treasure trove of potentially habitable planets. And among them, TRAPPIST-1e stands out as a true gem. This Earth-sized planet is located right in the middle of its star's habitable zone, making it a prime candidate for liquid water and maybe even life. TRAPPIST-1e is part of a 7-planet system orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star. These planets are so close together that they would appear in each other's skies. Imagine that. The TRAPPIST-1 system is like a cosmic ballet, with each planet gracefully waltzing around its star. Hold on to your hats, folks, because 55 Cancri E is one wild ride. This planet is a super Earth about twice the size of our own, but it's no gentle giant. 55 Cancri A is a scorching hot world, with a surface temperature estimated to be around 4,900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt rock. But here's the kicker. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E is made largely of pure, crystallized carbon. That's right, a diamond planet. Can you imagine the sparkle? Prepare to be surprised by WASP-12b, a gas giant with a rather unusual appearance. This planet is what astronomers call a puffy planet because it's incredibly large but not very dense. Imagine a planet so puffed up that it's almost the size of Jupiter, but with only 1/5 the mass. WASP-12b orbits its star so closely that it's being literally ripped apart. The star's gravity is pulling material off the planet's atmosphere, creating a giant glowing tail. Talk about a cosmic tug-of-war. Our search for Earth-like planets takes us to Kepler 186f, a world that's remarkably similar in size to our own. This planet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, making it a prime candidate for liquid water and maybe even life. Kepler 186f is about 490 light-years away from Earth, and it's one of the most promising targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Imagine a world with oceans, continents, and maybe even forests. Kepler 186f could be our best bet yet for finding another Earth out there in the cosmos. Our final stop brings us to HD 209458b, also known as Osiris, a gas giant with a dramatic flare. This planet is famous for its evaporating atmosphere, which is being blasted away by the intense heat of its star. Imagine a planet with a giant comet-like tail, trailing behind it for thousands of miles. That's HD 209458b. This planet is a stark reminder that even in the vastness of space, nothing lasts forever. But even as it evaporates away, HD 209458b reminds us of the incredible forces at play in our universe. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. We've explored some of the most beautiful and fascinating planets in the Milky Way, from Earth-like worlds to diamond planets and evaporating gas giants. The universe is full of wonders, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. Who knows what other secrets are out there, waiting to be discovered? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space content. Keep looking up.